If you've spent time looking to get better skin, you've probably seen collagen powders, drinks, and supplements promising fast results. They come in neat containers, polished labels, and a long list of claims. But do they really work? What did people do before all of that existed? Long before store shelves were filled with options, people relied on simple, practical methods. They used what they had at home, what they could grow in their gardens, and what they could make in their own kitchens. And somehow they managed just fine, in many cases, better than fine. Your body already knows how to take care of your skin. It doesn't need complicated formulas. It just needs the right support in the form of real, raw nutrients, steady habits, and a bit of patience. That's where these traditional drinks come in. They are not quick fixes, but quiet, reliable ways to support your body from the inside out. People looking for quick fixes go for collagen supplements, and they have been reported to work well for some and not so well for others. In this video, we are going back to basics, simple collagen drinks for skin you can make at home. We are looking at ingredients you can grow easily in your backyard, source locally, or already have sitting in your kitchen. Before we dive into this, hit the subscribe and like button, and let's grow this channel together. Bone broth. If there's one drink that truly delivers real collagen, it's bone broth. The simple, old-school liquid made by simmering bones over time is much better than any collagen supplement or powder you can buy. This is the kind of thing people used long before stores and labels existed, and it works because it's based on how the body actually functions. When you simmer bones slowly, the collagen inside the bones and connective tissue breaks down into gelatin and amino acids. These are the exact building blocks your body uses to support skin, joints, and even your gut. Think of it like giving your body raw materials instead of instructions. It knows what to do with them. Making bone broth for collagen is simple. Take bones, beef, chicken, or even goat, and place them in a large pot. Add water and a small splash of vinegar. That vinegar helps pull minerals and collagen out of the bones. Then let it simmer gently, not boiling hard, just a slow, steady heat. Chicken bones need about 12 to 24 hours. Beef bones go longer, up to 48 hours. As it cooks, you'll notice the broth becomes richer and slightly thick. When it cools, it may even turn jelly-like. That's a good sign. It means collagen is present. Drink it warm, like tea. You can add a pinch of salt or herbs if you like, but keep it simple. From a homesteading point of view, this is gold. Never throw these away. Bones from your kitchen, leftovers from livestock, or cheap cuts from a butcher can be turned into one of the best collagen sources for almost zero cost. Citrus and herb infusion drink. Bone broth gives your body the raw materials, and citrus and herb infusion drink helps your body actually use these raw materials. Most people focus only on collagen itself, but forget the body needs certain nutrients, especially vitamin C, to turn those building blocks into healthy skin. This is where a simple citrus and herb infusion comes in. It's not complicated, and it's something you prepare at home easily. You're working with things that grow easily, smell good, and support your body quietly without a fuss. Start with clean, hot, but not aggressively boiling water. Then add a handful of fresh herbs. Mint is a great choice because it's easy to grow and supports digestion. Rosemary is another strong option. It's hardy, survives tough conditions, and carries natural compounds that help protect your skin from everyday stress. Now add citrus. Lemon is the easiest, but lime or even orange will also work. Squeeze it in fresh. That sharp taste isn't just flavor, it's vitamin C, and that's the key player here. Without it, your body struggles to produce collagen properly. Let everything sit together for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's enough time for the water to pull out the goodness from the herbs and citrus. Drink it warm in the morning or let it cool and sip throughout the day. It's light, refreshing, and easy to make a habit. From a homesteading perspective, this drink is as practical as it gets. Mint spreads quickly. Rosemary needs little attention. Citrus, if you can grow it, is a long-term investment, and if not, it's still affordable. Carrot and ginger drink. This drink doesn't contain collagen, but it supports something just as important, your skin's ability to repair itself. You don't just need to build collagen, you need your skin to stay healthy enough to use it properly. Carrots are the main ingredient here. They're rich in vitamin A, which plays a big role in skin renewal. Think of it like maintenance. Your skin is constantly replacing old cells with new ones, and vitamin A helps that process stay smooth and steady. Without it, skin can look dull, dry, or uneven over time. Ginger comes in as the support act, but it's powerful in its own way. It helps improve circulation, meaning nutrients move through your body more efficiently. When blood flow is better, your skin gets what it needs faster: oxygen, vitamins, and those collagen-building components from other foods. Making this drink is straightforward. Chop a few fresh carrots and a small piece of ginger. Then blend it with water until smooth. You can strain it if you want a lighter texture or drink it as is for more fiber. Either way works. Taste-wise, it's naturally sweet with a slight kick from the ginger. No need for added sugar. Keep it clean. Carrots grow well in many conditions and store easily. Ginger can be grown in containers, even in small spaces. Nettle tea. Nettle tea is one of those quiet, overlooked drinks that does a lot more than people expect. It doesn't scream for attention, but when you understand what it brings to the table, it starts to make sense why it's been used for generations. What makes nettle special is its mineral content. It's rich in things like iron, silica, and magnesium. These may sound small, but they play a big role in how your body maintains skin, hair, and nails. Silica, in particular, is linked to skin strength and elasticity. Think of it like helping your skin stay firm and supported from within. Unlike trendy drinks, Nettle works slowly and steadily. It supports the systems behind the scenes: your blood, your circulation, your nutrient balance. When those are in good shape, your skin tends to follow. It's not magic, it's just your body working the way it should. Preparing nettle tea is simple. If you're using fresh leaves, handle them with care. They can sting when raw. Once dried or steeped in hot water, that sting disappears completely. Add a small handful to hot water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger it becomes. The taste is mild, slightly earthy, nothing overpowering, easy to drink regularly. Nettle often grows wild, requires little effort, and keeps coming back. What many people consider a weed is actually a resource sitting right in front of them. Berry blend. Not everything is about building new collagen. Just as important is protecting what you already have. That's where a simple berry drink comes in. It works more like a shield than a builder, helping slow down the everyday damage your skin goes through. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and even blackberries, are packed with antioxidants. These are natural compounds that help your body deal with stress from things like sun exposure, pollution, and poor diet. Over time, these stressors break down collagen, so even if your body is producing it, you could still be losing it just as fast. Think of antioxidants as maintenance workers. They don't build the house, but they stop it from falling apart. Making this drink is as simple as it gets. Take a handful of fresh or frozen berries, add a bit of water, and blend. That's it. If you want it creamier, you can mix in yogurt, but it's not necessary. Keep it clean and close to its natural state. The taste is naturally sweet, slightly tart, and refreshing. No need for added sugar. In fact, adding sugar works against what you're trying to achieve, so it's best left out. Many varieties grow well in backyard setups, and once established, they can produce year after year. They also store easily, fresh, dried, or frozen, so you can use them beyond the harvest season. Soy milk. Soy milk provides plant protein, and protein is essential because collagen itself is made from amino acids. No protein, no building blocks. It's that simple. What makes soy milk useful is that it's a complete plant protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. That's not common in plant foods. On top of that, soy contains natural compounds called isoflavones. These have been linked to supporting skin elasticity and helping reduce dryness over time. Making soy milk at home is straightforward. Start by soaking dried soybeans overnight. This softens them and makes them easier to work with. The next day, rinse them well, then blend with clean water until smooth. After that, strain the mixture using a cloth or fine sieve to separate the liquid from the pulp. Finally, boil the milk for about 10 to 15 minutes. This step is important. It improves taste and makes it safer to drink. The flavor is mild, slightly nutty, and easy to adjust. You can drink it plain or add a touch of natural sweetness if needed, but keeping it simple is best. Simple daily collagen routine. Knowing the drinks that deliver and support collagen is one thing. Using them consistently is what actually makes a difference. The good news is, a simple daily rhythm is enough, steady, repeatable, and easy to stick with. Start your day with something warm. Bone broth works well here. It's gentle on the stomach and gives your body those raw materials early on. You're not flooding your system, you're just giving it what it needs to get going. A cup in the morning is enough. Later in the day, bring in your citrus and herb infusion. This helps your body use what it already has. It's light, refreshing, and easy to sip as you go about your work. A few times a week, add nettle tea. Not daily, just now and then. This builds your mineral base over time. Your carrot and ginger drink fits in when you need it, maybe mid-morning or afternoon. It's a good pick-me-up that supports your skin's natural repair process without relying on anything artificial. Then, berries come in as protection. You don't need them every single day, but having them regularly, especially in season, helps maintain what you're building. Thank you for watching until the end. Kindly subscribe for more videos like this.